In this video, I wanted to talk about some RAM. This is a Kingston Fury DDR4 16GB memory stick that I used or have been using for my PC builds, and I really think it's a great, value for money. I picked up this guy for both machine learning builds, and I found it really to be fast, sufficient for my needs. I'm not a gamer, so I'm using it for machine learning, but I was pretty pleased with it. 16 gigabytes was plenty of RAM for me, at least in one of my rigs, but I might have to upgrade on another one. But I think overall the quality and what you get from Kingston is pretty great, and if anybody's in doubt, I think it's a great pickup, and you can't go wrong with it, in my opinion. I am not a fan of RGB, so that's why this guy is also pretty stealth for me, and I pretty much like that aesthetic as well. But overall, it's a great pick, and I think everybody's gonna enjoy it.